Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Dulce. As you can see, a big mix I have in here. In today's video, I will do how to organize a small place for like your toddler, your baby. If you don't have like a big place to put like a nursery, like I don't have. So as you can see, this is the big mess I have right now. Yes, it is very embarrassing, but right now I have these bins that I got at IKEA so I could organize everything. I bought those bins on IKEA, and I will try to organize these two with those bins because as you can see, the Dollar Tree bins are really horrible. They are like if you're stuffing a lot and the toddler comes and pulls this thing, like it will be like that ugly. So yeah, it's very embarrassing. I have everything on top in here, so I will do a montage. Not a montage, I will speed the stuff. So I will take everything off of this little thing. This white thing, I also got it from IKEA, this one. So I need to clean this up because it's really stressful seeing all this mess. Okay, as y'all saw, I got everything out. I just need to clean this side too and clean that white thing also because it's pretty dirty. And let me clean that and see how I'm gonna organize those pink beans in there. Hopefully they fit. Okay, this is what I got right now. As you can see, the beans didn't fit as how I wanted to. I wanted to have like two beans on the middle and two beans on the bottom for her shoes, but they were too big. I was like, no. So for right now, I think this is good to go, and I have an extra one. So if you remember on the beginning of the video, I have like a big basket full of plush animals and blankets. Right now I will see like organize that part, and I think I will put some of the stuffed animals on this bin so like it actually doesn't like have nothing in there. But this is how it looks right now. In here I just put all the wipes because everything fit here. As you can see, I'm just missing one, but like I say, for right now these bins are way too big for this little thing. And I still kept these ones because these ones are actually really sturdy also, and these ones are from the Dollar Tree. So in here I just have like bump rash medicine. This one, you know, if you're a mother, you know what's this one for. So yeah, I have a thermometer. I got her eczema therapy moisturizing cream. I have this cold relief chest rub. I have her earache drops because she was having ear pain the other day. I don't remember when it was, but so I needed to buy that one. I got these from the Nursery. These ones are just like little filters. And on the bottom I have teething pain medicine. I also have some baby rash cream from Dr. Smith. Like a lot of little things for her that I need. And on the pink one I have also another cream for her rash, baby Dove lotion, Aveeno baby moisturizing lotion, the Nose Frida, some baby magic perfume. I have her baby brush. She doesn't use it no more, but just keep it in here. And I have her brush that the hospital gave me. So I have this one. And on the back I just have her medicine for her nebulizer. Yeah, because she was really sick, so the doctor prescribed her this medicine for the nebulizer. I'm sorry, that it's down there. There's like a little machine for her to breathe well. On the second one I have all her training pants. Well, they are like diapers, but it's for her to train because I'm training her to potty on the toilet. I have her swimming little diapers. As you can see, it says little swimmers from Huggies. Not sponsored, but I wish right. On the very last one I have all her little shoes. Like, she doesn't have a lot of shoes, so I just stick everything down there. The bin is really big and deep, so everything went well down. And like I said, her nebulizer is on the left side. And in here you will see me right now organizing this part and putting toys in here. If you are a mother of a girl, you will know that you have a girl, because let me show you what I found on these two little bins. So let me just get everything quick. Like I said, you know that you have a little girl when you have a lot of bows and scrunchies all over the house. Oh my god, what is this? Like, come on, how did I have all of this on these two baskets? Like, all the bows and scrunchies were all like just scattered around on these baskets, and that was embarrassing. Yeah, so let me just organize, like I said, the part where her stuffed animals goes. If you know my video that I did, she has this crib. It's from IKEA also. That white thing is from IKEA, and the storage bins are from IKEA. I really wish IKEA made this type of storage bins but more smaller, because when I went they didn't have the smaller ones, so it could fit more. But I'm really liking how everything is organized. Like, it's much better how I had it last time. So yeah, let me just organize her stuff. Okay, this is how everything went. Like I already put, as you saw me, I was in shock because this bin didn't have stud of animals. It only had the sky and the little unicorn and the little octopus. And I thought this thing was full of stuffed animals, but no, it has all her little blankets. I actually made this blanket for her before she was born. I was pregnant when I made that blanket, and I was in shock because I thought that bin had stuffed animals, but no. So this is how everything looks now, complete and organized. Yeah, I had to move also the crib. I had to push this crib. I'm still undecided if I want this like this because it takes a lot of space on my bedroom, and I think I will move this one. I'm still not sure if I'm just going to stay there or am I going to move this one on top of that one, or let me know down in the comments what should I do with this thing, and just push the crib back where the basket of the blankets are, because like I said, it takes a lot of space with all her stuff there, or just broke something nice. But like I said, this is her crib. She has 3 drawers down there, so those things are for the crib. I will put it there to have like more space because this basket is already full, and I really don't want it to be like drawing with a lot of blankets. But yeah, hopefully I like this video. Please give me a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and don't forget about my giveaway. So if you want to enter, just go to my giveaway video, comment below, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Bye everybody, have a nice day.